Well, we have AFIB. AFIB, right now we're looking at that momentum coming into the name. Volume did come in, and that created this push into resistance area, and now we have this shape. This is what we call the long-legged doji, right? Remember, this is not a recommendation to buy or to sell any stock or equity. This is just for entertainment purposes only, and that only. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Well, this is your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. Well, I've been busy all weekends, and I just want to put out these low float, low price stocks that I will be watching for the coming days, right? So what I'll be dealing with here, or what I'll be talking about, analyzing, are going to be the low float, low price stocks. Small price stocks, you can get a big one at some point, but that will be my videos on popular chart demand. So you can follow me up on Twitter, okay, where I post my analysis, talk about, retweet, and do good stuff on the market or on any given ticker. Also, you can also follow me up on my stock tweet as well, and I do post charts, different stocks, what I'm expecting, where the stock is going, and what I'm doing with the stocks, right? So IWM is another thing. The market has been really crazy in the past couple of days. Looking at IWM, I'm looking for price or the market, the Russell 2000 to break through this trend support. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, we might just bounce a little bit, then pull right through and attempt to flush out the weekends, to drag all the support, all the stop loss below this trend support. So keep an eye out on IWM, coupled with the fact that the market on a broader view, we're looking red across board. Okay, so we're really extended in the market to the downside. So my anticipation is for some form of a reaction, and then some short-term bounce in the market. So keep an eye out on the market, as well as SPY, S&P Spider ETF 500. Right now we're looking at price pulling into the 410. 410 is going to be our next support, which coincide with the previous level. So if that area holds, then we can get that bounce that we're looking for, that really short-term bounce. So keep an eye out, and every time we set back, we tend to bounce right off. So keep an eye out as well. Now let's get into the low price stocks. First one is going to be CEI. Okay, I don't have a whole lot of ticker because of the market not really holding up well. I have CEI. What I'm expecting CEI to do is to hold this level, with support around the 75 cents. Okay, our resistance to break is going to be 90 cents. So keep an eye out on CEI. Also, we're talking about SNDL. I did post it on my stock tweet and Twitter, and I'm expecting that break. If 50 cents doesn't hold, then we expect lower. That is what is happening right now on SNDL. Okay, so this is a marijuana play, this is cannabis play. So right now 50 cents is not holding. My anticipation is perhaps they want to shake the weekends and then stock reclaim that level, but keep an open mind to the upside or to the downside. That is how I play, guys. ZYME at this point in time, we really took this fantastic gap up to the upside. Okay, in no time expect that area to be filled, but for now $6 is going to act as a support on this name. FRGE, okay, this is FRGE Global Holdings. Right now $20 is your resistance. If we can break through that spot, we should be all right to push right into 2750, 2750 in the coming days. But if price decide to pull back down, looking for $15 wouldn't be a bad idea as well. ATER, this one right now, we have this huge looking shape. Now we don't want the stock to really break right through below $5. That is the area. If $5 breaks, then I'll be looking for $4.50 or even $4 in the coming days. Our resistance is going to be $5.75. Well, we have AFIB. AFIB, right now we're looking at that momentum coming into the name. Volume did come in, and that created this push into resistance area, and now we have this shape. This is what we call the long-legged doji, right? So you have more buying pressure coming in to pushing it to close right, above 50% of that candle, right? So now 150 is going to act as our resistance. If we can break that area, we're breaking the trend resistance. We're also breaking the downtrend resistance, the trend line resistance and the downtrend resistance. We're breaking that level up to the upside and see what action can come into the name. Expect some form of bigger action in the coming weeks. Vero as well. Vero, this is a fantastic looking flag, right? So this is a huge flag. So your area right now is going to be $11. $11 must hold. If $11 hold, then we can continue to push to the upside. Resistance is going to come in at this trend, which also coincide with the $13 spot. If that $13 breaks and hold, then price can skyrocket to the upside on VERU. So keep an eye out on that. NUTX, what is NUTX doing? We pop right, shoot. Volume came in so bad, we push into almost $55 in the trading day, and all the way sold back down to retest the mean, right? That $4.50 area, $4 spot. Okay, now we're bouncing right off. We bounce into 15 area, reject that area. So now expect $10 to act as a form of resistance. So keep an eye out, keep a close eye on that one as well. SBFM support is going to be right at $3. Okay, that is going to be our support. Make sure that this holds and reclaim this $3 spot. If it does, then expect price momentum to come into this name. See if we can push back into $5 on that name. DOGZ, this one right now, I talked about it in my previous video. If you have any time, if you have some form of time, just check back on my previous video. You see what I'm talking about, in this market. But remember, this is not a recommendation to buy or to sell any stock in whatsoever, right? For now, we're looking for $5 visit. If $5 can, if we can attain $5, hold that level, we'll continue to push to the upside. ITP as well. ITP, this one is a small price one. Right now we hit resistance, pull back, and expect more to come. Okay, but overall, look at the extension on the RSI. Okay, so watch that closely. SKYH right now, we're looking for price to hold $7.75. If this area, if price really holds this spot, then I'll be expecting a return back to the $10 spot, which is going to be our resistance spot. I traded this last week. I made some profit in anticipation of the break of this $7.80 area. We broke $8, got in $8, and rode it all the way to $12.50, only to sell most of my position and the rest out at $11. Okay, so right now look for price to hold this area, see if we can continue to push to the upside. ALLG right now, we're looking for price continuation. The candles has been really wonderful, but the selling pressure really did come in as we attained that resistance, and the resistance held and pushed lower into $12.50, right? Right now we're looking at GFIA. Okay, GFIA right now 67 cents close, with our RSI still in the 39% zone. For now, keep an eye out on this level. We might really top the 60 cents, but keep a close eye on this name. KTTA as well, this one has been really consolidating around this area. Look for price breakthrough of the 125, 130 in the coming days as well. HCDI as well. We'll just keep going and going. We rejected the $3 spot. Look for price to try to retest again. ATNF bouncing right off the bottom. This is what I call the bottom bounce play. With volume coming into this name, I expect price to get right into 250. But guess what? Short sellers are always there. Just play things wisely, play things with caution as well. RODBX, I'm shooting for $7.50. $7.50. If it comes, then we take it. But for now, resistance could be this $6 zone. So keep an eye out on Redbox Entertainment as well. Redbox Entertainment. ALTG right now bounce off the $11 is my expectation. TBLT, they did a reverse split the other day and now we're back down to $10. Anything below $10 is also good on this name, but guess what, they're still gonna do reverse split again. So keep an eye, just be very cautious of this company. All right, BTAI $10 is gonna be our area of support. If that area doesn't hold, then we're going to be looking for price back down to $12 on that name. IMTE, that was a failed follow through. Look how price really did push, okay, return back, test the support, then push again, okay, and all of a sudden we just sold right off, just continue selling, and now we're trying to hold the second support area, which is the $4 zone. So keep an eye out on. Now let's get into it. I think I got more into that. Where did I stop? Okay, so right now RKDA, we have this momentum going through. Right now $1 is what we're looking for. If we can reclaim $1, we should be able to hold it and continue to push to the upside. So keep an eye out on RKDA. BCL as well, right now support around $2. YTEN, we're looking at $3 as a support. ANAB as well, INAB sold right off, fail level, okay. Looking at it, this is the level right here, okay. We failed that level, push all the way back down to almost $2. So keep an eye, see if that area holds as a support. LIQT as well, right now we're looking for BB play, which is a bottom bounce play, so keep an eye out on that. CYN as well, this one has been, you know, non-stop. So right now $6 is going to act as a resistance. See what the action is going to be around $6. If this area reject, then we're looking for price to pull back down to even $4 in the coming days as well. VAXX as well, we're looking for that. This is the boom candle play, and we got into $8, rejected that spot back down to $7, and right now $6 is going to act as our support. So keep an eye out on that as well. And finally, we're going to talk about what it is with our APRON. APRON is another name that, or household name that, you know, did really good in terms of low float momentum play. But right now you see how the price is really wicked, right? It's $3 right now compared to the price that it was back in the day, right? So right now you'll be expecting, or I'll be expecting price to hold the $3 spot. Reason is because right now the market maker may be shaking out the weekends at this point in time. So if they shook out all the weekends, I'll be expecting a bounce of at least into this trend right here, this downtrend of you know, close to about $4. So keep an eye out, $3.50, $4 in the coming days on APRON. Thank you guys for your time. Thank you for being here. This is very short, and these stickers, these are the small ones I got for today. You know, enjoy your weekend. Have a fantastic one, guys. If you have any question, concern, email me at tradingsuccessshow@gmail.com. Remember, this is not a recommendation to buy or to sell any stock or equity. This is just for entertainment purposes only, and that only. Thank you guys for your time. Have a good one. Peace and love, guys. Bye bye.